This is Eva.
Eva, say hi.
Yay! Lovely. Thanks very much. Thank you. Hello, sir. Hello. Welcome to New Zealand. 哎呀，太逗了，你太逗了！你感觉 New Zealand 怎么样？
还没出去呢，到现在还在机场里。
你觉得 New Zealand 跟澳洲有区别吗？
有很大的，有口音，他们有口音。
Auckland, the Civic Theatre, and today is the third show of our tour. We're in Auckland, and this is 2022 Maxim Oceania Tour. Yay! Wow. Okay, let's go now. Come with me. Alright, for the backstage, we have to go to stage door, which is level 4. We're not going to the dressing rooms or green room or anything. We're going to stage door, right? Mm-hmm. Let me press the elevator.
We're going to level 2.
Oh, okay, level 2 stage, right?
Wow.
So I'm not going to have a speech today. This is my staff card, my working picture. Alright. I have to say this is one of the best venues I have never seen. Well, we only got 5 minutes, so I'm just quickly going to say hi and then we're going to go to the audience seat because we're hoping in 7:30 we're starting time. Audience seat. Alright? Okay.
We're gonna be upstairs.
Yes, we will. I will tell you how it feels. Because this is amazing. Yeah, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
See.
Also, I hope that you're going to like the repertoire which I've chosen for tonight's concert. It's going to be the selection of my most popular pieces from all of my albums, like The Exodus I just performed, And there's going to be some classical pieces from a classical repertoire, both solo and with an orchestra. And there's going to be some movie music, film music from my album, The Movies. So the next piece which I'm going to play is the piece written by a Croatian composer and very dear friend of mine, Tonči Kulić, who is responsible for many hits throughout my career. The piece is called Child in Paradise. Enjoy. Thank you.
采访你一下。
微笑着对你。
My name is Ian and
这个声光给多吃点新西兰的羊肉。
It's so good to see you all here because last time we were here it was in 2019.
Yes,
I can't even remember. And then the pandemic just hits. Because myself is also a pianist. I remember I went to practice piano at home. That's it, for 2 years. And I had to call my baby because I had nothing else to do. Then we all come back again, and I really wanted to show my gratitude to JP. It was great. He's busy somewhere. And it can be. Oh yeah, he's there. Okay, he's there. Okay. I can't believe that we made it together. Because the last project we did before the pandemic was another concert. We made it as well. So I think it's amazing we can celebrate music and everything together. And everybody just cheers and let's enjoy music more. Okay, thank you.
好的，你发也可以的。哦，是吗
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.